Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to combine email and SMS marketing in Mailchimp. This powerful combination allows you to reach your audience through multiple channels, significantly increasing your engagement rates and ensuring your message gets delivered. Whether customers prefer checking their inbox or their text messages, to get started, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your existing account. If you don't have one yet, click on Create an Account and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your profile and enter your business details. This initial setup is important as it helps Mailchimp understand your business and tailor the platform to your specific needs. After you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Automations. This section is where all the magic happens for creating automated marketing workflows that save you time while keeping your audience engaged consistently. Once you're on the automations page, click on Build from Scratch. This option gives you complete control over designing your workflow exactly how you want it, rather than using a pre-built template. You'll now be on the workflow creation page. Here, you need to input a name for this workflow. Choose something descriptive that clearly identifies its function, like email and SMS marketing or combined welcome campaign. Next, click on the Audience drop-down menu and select the specific audience you want to target with this combined marketing workflow. After selecting your audience, click Choose a Trigger. The Choose a Trigger window will appear. This is the crucial first step of your workflow because it determines how your combined marketing will start. Triggers are the actions that set everything in motion. For this workflow, you'll typically use triggers like sign-up forms, meaning whenever a customer or audience member signs up for your products, they'll automatically receive your combined marketing messages. From the available options, select Signs Up for Email. This ensures that new subscribers immediately enter your workflow. Now click Save Trigger at the bottom of the window to begin building out your workflow. With your trigger set, it's time to add your first marketing action. Drag a Send Email step onto your workflow canvas. This ensures that whenever someone signs up, they'll receive your email marketing message first. You'll need to configure several important fields here. Fill in the to and from fields to specify who the email is coming from and who receives it. Add a compelling subject line that grabs attention. You can also adjust the scheduling options if you want to delay the email and consider adding Google Analytics tracking to monitor performance. Once these settings are configured, move to the right side of your screen where you can fully customize the marketing email content you wish to send. Design it with your branding, add images, and craft your message. Next comes the SMS component of your combined marketing strategy. Drag a Send SMS step onto your workflow, positioning it after your email step. This creates a 1-2 punch where your audience receives both an email and a text message. In the SMS composer, write a concise, compelling marketing message. Remember that SMS has character limits, so keep it short, punchy, and include a clear call to action. You've now successfully created a combined marketing workflow using both SMS and email that triggers every time someone signs up. Click Continue on the top right part of your screen to activate and apply this workflow to your account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.